Hi, I'm Megan from Prairie Gardens, and I'm here to tell you why Prairie Gardens is the perfect place to find your perfect tree this Christmas season. I'm also going to tell you the answers to some of our frequently asked questions and give you a tour around our Christmas tree room. So the first thing I want to do is show you a tree that's new this season. This is our cottonwood tree. What's nice about our cottonwood tree is it has a nice texture of needles, and it also has pine cones on it as a nice decoration. It has these beautiful twinkling bulbs as well as the G40 bulbs mixed in. If you're wanting a multicolored tree, this tree does also come in multi-lights if you would like a little bit more color added to your Christmas tree. Now we have a very large selection of trees. We have over 200 artificial Christmas trees that range in size from a 4-foot all the way up to a 12-foot tree. We also have LED light trees, unlit trees, and incandescent lights for whatever type of style lights that you would like to have. The next tree that I'm going to show you over here, this is a Newman tree. This is the Highland Fir. It comes in multi or clear lights. What's nice about the Newman trees is that they are the factory leading producer of Christmas trees. And part of the reason is that the way that they put their lights on the Christmas trees, they hide all of the wires. So all you see is the beauty of the tree and the beauty of the lights. The other thing that I like about Newman trees is that they are really realistic looking. This 9-foot tree that I'm standing next to actually has the option of being 3 different size trees in one. So you can have a 9-foot tree, a 7-foot tree, or a 5-foot tree, all with the same tree. These 2 trees here are our Thunder Bay. They come in clear or multi, and they are a nice full tree if you're looking for one with a wide diameter. We also have more slimline trees like the Crawford that I'm standing next to. This is a slimline tree if you're looking for a tree in a room that maybe doesn't have as much space, like a bedroom or a dining room. So that's a nice one. It also comes in unlit as well. I also want to point out this tree behind it, which has LED lights. And it also has nice pine cones added as an additional feature. All of these trees here on my right-hand side do come in unlit. If you're looking for an unlit tree, we do have a very wide selection of unlit trees to choose from. The last tree that I want to show you here is the Manitoba. This is a flocked tree. Again, it has the really beautiful G40 bulbs on it, and the flocking is very nice because it doesn't require decoration if you just wanted to have a simple tree in your home. All of these trees that I have shown you come in sections. The majority of them come in 3 sections, so they fit very easily into a box that can be put in the back seat of your car or your trunk, or can easily slide into an SUV. The other thing that's nice, that all of our trees have hinged branches. So gone are the days when you had to find the color-coded branches to match the pole and get them on your tree properly. One of the last questions that I want to talk about, when we have all of these beautifully decorated pre-lit Christmas trees, everyone always asks about the Christmas lights. And it is rare that an actual strand of lights should go bad on your tree. Usually it's a simple fix like a burnt out bulb or a loose wire, and we do those kinds of repairs in-house. All of our trees come with a tree warranty. We offer a 3-year warranty on the lights on our trees, and we offer a 5-year warranty on the actual mechanics of the tree. If you have a section of lights that goes out and you just can't fix it yourself, give us a call or stop in store and we will diagnose it and fix it in-house. There are no 1-800 numbers, it's just all locally done here at Prairie Gardens. Don't forget to sign up for our I Belong Rewards program. It saves you 10% every Tuesday, and we also keep you updated on sales and upcoming events. We hope to see you soon to help you pick out your perfect tree. Merry Christmas!